बजाइयो zara. Yeah, so we're going to see this movie Tube Light starring Salman Khan, directed by Kabir Khan.
मेरा भाई जरूर वापस आएगा।
Hey, hello, hi, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल एंड बहुत 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 प्यार भरा सलाम। और आज तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही मोहब्बत और प्यार भरा सलाम, क्योंकि बहुत मोहब्बत वाली फिल्म हम लोग देख के आ रहे हैं, दैट इज़ ट्यूबलाइट। ट्यूबलाइट, as everybody knows, this film is about a boy who has charana cum mind, like you know, his mind is ट्यूबलाइट। और वो जो इनोसेंट माइंड है, हाउ लाइक ही हैज़ दिस गट फील के यकीन से सब कुछ होता है, वो चीज़ उसको समझ में आ जाती है थ्रू महात्मा गांधी स्पीच। एंड यू नो, over the period of time again and again, like you know, people hit him and saying that यकीन रखोगे तो सब ठीक होगा। और उसका वो यकीन किस तरह से फिल्म में you know like चीज़ें अच्छी होने लगी। This is all the film is all about. Basically what I liked about this film is, जो सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ ये है कि इसने आज का जो एटमॉस्फेयर है, जिसमें कि इतनी हेटरेट हो रही है, ट्रॉलिंग हो रही है, सब कुछ हो रहा है, उस सब को डायरेक्टली अटैक करने के बजाय इनडायरेक्टली अटैक करते हुए ये चीज़ बताई है कि ये नफ़रत और ये सब चीज़ें पीछे कर दो भाई, और यू नो एक अच्छी फीलिंग, एक लव टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर विदाउट प्रीचिंग। आई डोंट फाइंड एनीवेयर दैट प्रीचिंग वाला थिंग, वो चीज़ उन्होंने शो की है। और उन लोगों के लिए ख़ास तौर से जो इस चीज़ से तंग आ चुके हैं, दे फील वेरी बैड, तो उन लोगों के लिए ये है कि वो यकीन मत छोड़ो, एक ना एक दिन वो दिन आएगा, वो सुबह होगी जो मोहब्बत वाली होगी। दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट द मूवी दैट आई लाइक, मैन। करेक्ट, best. Then we'll come on to the performance. What about you about this film? Like, what do you say?
What I felt is that this film, like you said, know who your enemy is. More on that later. What I feel is like I would like to do this differently. I like to compare the first half with the second half. In the first 15 minutes of the movie, things move so smoothly. You see, you know, young Salman Khan, young Tubelight, young Arbaz Khan. The fact that they're really brothers in real life, I'm sure helps. That's good casting. And it moves. In the first 15 minutes, you are connected to these characters, their quirks, how they are, you know, which really helps throughout the film. You see that brotherly bond that's there. So then when Arbaz Khan is, you know, sent to, you know, fight for the nation, you feel that separation, that pain of brothers being, you know, separated. And then this is what gets you connected to Salman Khan's character. So in the first half, there are very nice moments, emotional moments. There's that one good song, do 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 do. So that was really nice. There's certain thing about shoes, which you know connect the audience in some way in the first half, which is done very subtly. I won't say much.
Me of Children of Heaven,
and Shah Rukh's guest appearance is really nice as well. Okay, so the first half moves very smoothly. The screenplay is very smooth. In the second half, what happens is that everything is heightened. The emotion is heightened. The music is heightened. The melodrama is heightened. There's a certain element in the screenplay called setup and payoff, in which you set something up and then it pays off. It has a much bigger meaning later on. So that's overdone. Everything just seems to be overdone in the second half. Kind of like this element of faith. You know, have faith. Which in the first half is done in a very realistic way, believable way, that you have faith and, you know, it'll come true. In the second half, it's taken to a realm which is slightly unrealistic. You know, it's taken to a realm of melodrama, the second half. What is emotion in the first half becomes emotional exploitation in the second half, where the characters are crying and things are overdone. It's repetitive to a certain extent. The symbol of the shoes is overdone.
I didn't feel that way.
This is what I felt in the second half.
I know, I don't agree with this, because you know, like you're saying first half was very well done and was realistic and everything.
Smooth.
You know, rather I feel that second half को realistic करने की वजह से जो क्लाइमेक्स के टाइम पे एक झोल आता है, एक स्लो फील आता है, जो पेस आता है, वो रियलिस्टिक करने की वजह से हुआ। अगर ये सलमान खान की आउट एंड आउट अदर फिल्म्स की तरह मसाला वाली फिल्म होती ना, तो एक पॉइंट के लिए भी आपको ये नहीं लगता कि इसका जो रिदम है वो जा रहा है वन अप, लेकिन क्योंकि उसको रियलिस्टिक दिखाना था, इसलिए चीज़ें ऐसी डाली गई कि रियल लगा। You know, he didn't return from the war and all that sequence. I don't want to let it out, like, you know. But that was a realistic thing which was making the pace little slower. But again, they got back to that. I found it very realistic in that way. एक cinematic liberty होती है, जितनी लेनी चाहिए उतनी ही ली है, बहुत नहीं ली है।
ज़्यादा है।
And shoes and all, like, yeah, एक आध कुछ थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगता है, but it doesn't affect, but it creates a nice feel altogether. Rather, it gave me a feel of Children of Heaven, and sometimes this whole movie gives me the feel of life is beautiful. It gives me like a good feel of classic
Simplicity
movies.
is a beautiful thing, when you can communicate something in a simple way. The first half, that is why I felt so beautiful the way it's done.
Yeah,
in the second half, it's just...
So that was it. Now the performance.
Number one and standard, nice. Shah Rukh Khan.
guest appearance, the guest should be talked first,
Yeah.
you know. Wonderful, he's looking beautiful, man. He's looking handsome,
Yeah.
man. And the way, like, सबसे अच्छी बात इसमें कि when Salman Khan is playing like a kid, a 8-year-old kid, you can see that expression in his eyes,
Yeah.
the face, the smile, the cry. Shah Rukh Khan is playing a magician. His eyes is so magical, like, you know,
Wow.
you can see the magician in his eyes.
That's nice.
The beautiful scene, beautiful presentation about both the actors.
Yeah.
All other actors have done very well.
Yeah, Arbaz Khan was decent.
He was very
Salman
decent.
Khan for the first time doing, I mean, not for the first time, but this time you see the actor in Salman Khan
Yeah.
to a certain extent. Sometimes it seems kind
And
of
please
fake.
don't compare it with Bajrangi and the other movies because this is out and out totally different movie.
Yeah.
And if you talk about ये वैसे नहीं थी ऐसा नहीं performances है hello this is a different type of movie.
Yeah,
Man.
cinematography is really nice.
It's
Visually,
wonderful. Cinematography is beautiful.
the
man.
music is
Par
used
excellence.
nicely in the background.
Pritam's music is too good.
Yeah.
Amitabh Bhattacharya's lyrics are very good, especially मुझे radio वाला तो बहुत अच्छे
Yeah.
से very humble radio and one more song, 2-3 songs are really
Yeah,
very good.
yeah.
So songs are good, performances are good. Suhail Khan, wonderful when they both brothers are
Yeah.
just getting away from each other.
Correct.
और
That was
सुहेल
nice.
खान war के लिए जंग पे
Yep,
अपना
yep.
जा रहा
That's
है
been
और
said,
ये-
yep.
और जब वो जा रहा है so that they have no, we
Absolutely.
haven't spoken about Suhail Khan's performance,
Yeah.
ये नहीं बोला है. And he has given a wonderful, subtle and such a beautiful expression. You will love it, man. Go and watch it. It's wonderful.
Absolutely.
From my
But
side.
well, how many stars would you give?
I'll give
movie?
this 79 stars, but no, I have to give like I'll give considering the little slack in the climax, जो pace जो down हुआ था, वो I will give it a 4 star from my side. Yeah. 4
Okay,
stars.
I'll give this film 2.5 stars, unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Because of the second half, I just kind of felt it was too much over the top. I said that already,
No,
but
it's not. It's
that's
not.
the
It's
reason
not.
why I'm
It's
saying
not.
it.
It's
It
not.
is.
It's not.
It
It's
is.
not.
It
It's
gets
not. It's not.
melodramatic.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Okay, so keep watching. Keep
Selfie
watching.
style on the
Selfie
spot.
style. Do like,
Like,
subscribe,
share,
and yes, man,
subscribe.
go and watch this movie. We all need to watch.
You
this
shall
movie,
watch
man.
it. There are
You
moments,
love it.
but no.
Bye.